Hello, Cardinals. We're going to be doing investigation 8.3 today. The topic is researching building designs to reduce storm damage. And our focus question is, how can we build a building to be storm resistant? First thing we're going to do is look at the kind of data that you tracked during yesterday's hurricane plotting. Some information that you'd want to pay attention to if you're a meteorologist studying hurricanes would be wind speed, sea surface temperature, barometric pressure or air pressure, longitude, latitude, which are geographic locations. So as you think about this, if you know the pressure and the wind speed and the sea surface temperatures, you know how strong the hurricane is now and how strong it's going to be in the future. If it's over warm waters, it's going to get stronger. If it's over cooler waters, it's going to get weaker. And then you want to know the latitude and longitude so you know where it is now and where it is heading. The other thing we want to talk about today is the instruments and technology that scientists use to track hurricanes. They use different types of radar. They use anemometers to measure the wind speed, a barometer to measure the air pressure, and satellites to track the image from space. They also use unmanned air vehicles to fly through the hurricane to measure all these different types of statistics. And they use forecast models, often called spaghetti models, because they look like noodles. And those are the forecasts that the computers are putting together to predict where the hurricane might go ashore. So just to review all these questions that we talked about yesterday, there were 11 of them. We'll get some time to talk about these with your neighbors. And then today we're going to talk about strategies that architects can use to limit storm surge impacts and damage to homes during hurricanes. So we want to think about a few things that would help us with flooding, to help protect the home from flooding, and a few things that would help protect the home from wind. And then you're going to have some information on student sheet 3.8.3, and then you'll be researching how architects can prevent storm damage from flooding and from wind. And then you'll be working with your group members to draw a sketch of a storm-resistant building on a poster board. You're going to include details from each component of the building that is specifically designed to protect it from the storm. So note how the building will be protected from the high floods and high winds, and be prepared to share your design with the class tomorrow. A lot of resources we're going to put on Google Classroom for you. So finally, we're going to be researching some information regarding storm damage and preparing homes so they're not affected as much. And we'll be doing this today, creating a poster in a group. And if you have any questions, please let your teacher know. Have a great day, Cardinals.